Once there was a man who built a beautiful fountain in the middle of a lush garden out of his grief for losing his wife. People in town often say that ever since that fountain was built, it was already broken. It was said that only sorrow could fix it and keep it spewing water forever. But the people in the town of LaSalle neither cared about the fountain nor knew what the sorrow was. 100 years later, a few steps from the garden, is a big mansion owned by the one of the richest family in the town. The head of the family, Don Juan Castillo, was a cruel and ambitious man. His wife, Doña Maria Castillo, was a kind and gentle woman, but is heavily controlled and influenced by her husband. They have two daughters, Leonora and Isabella. Isabella was the younger of the two and was the kindest one, while Leonora married the son of a rich man and became a doña herself. Isabella wanted nothing of that. She just wanted a peaceful and simple life with the man she loves. Don Juan wanted Isabella to marry Don Luis Gonzalez so that their family's wealth will converge and together they would be the richest family in the town. Little did he know that his daughter Isabella was maintaining a secret affair with a man named Lucas. Lucas was not a man at all, and for all that matter, he's not even a mortal. He was the son of a god and a tree nymph.
Nakikita mo ba ang mga halaman sa paligid ng hardin?
Oo naman, gaganda.
Habang ang mga bulaklak ay patuloy na namumukadkad, habang mga halaman ay patuloy na lumalago. Ibig sabihin lang nun ay hindi ako tumitigil sa pagmamahal sa'yo dahil ang tanging bagay na bumubuhay sa mga halaman dito ay ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo.
Talaga? Hindi ka mapapagod at magsasawang mahalin ako?
Hinding-hindi.
Every night, Lucas and Isabella would meet near the fountain and spend the whole night together, falling asleep on each other's arm. And on the morning, Isabella would secretly slip back into her room and pretend that she had been there for the rest of the night. For almost a year, they would do this every night, on the eve of Isabella's 16th birthday.
Saan ka na naman galing?
Saan ka, Papa?
May kailangan ako sabihin sa'yo.
Ano po yun?
Bukas, sa is ka na. Kailangan mo pakasalan si Luis.
Pero, Papa,
Walang pera-pera, pakasalan mo si Luis.
bakit ko kailangan makasalan si Luis? Hindi ko mahal si Luis.
Mahal? Wala akong pakialam kung di mo mahal si Luis. Mayaman yung pamilya niyo.
Mayaman? Ano ba ako sa paningin niyo bagay lamang na pwede niyo ipagbenta?
Siya ang nakakapat sa Isabela.
Hindi ko mahal si Luis. Si Lucas ang mahal ko.
Sino si Lucas? Ano nga naman ang dukha? Alam ka magkasaka, mahirap. Inutin ka ito.
Upon knowing this, Isabella immediately went to the garden and called out for Lucas.
Lucas, kailangan akong ikasal kay Luis.
Kailangan. Bakit kailangan? Hindi mo na ba ako mahal?
Mahal kita. Kung kailangan gusto nila gusto ng papa, ayokong maghintay ka sa wala.
Wala akong paalam kahit gaano katagal. Mag-aantay ako kasi mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita.
Magtatalan tayo. Umayang gabi. Iwan natin ako dito.
Mag-aantay ako mamaya. Tapos ng gabi.
Alas 10 na, paniguradong paparating na si Isabela. Alas 10:30, baka nag-aayos pa siya ng gamit. Alas 11 na. Papunta na yung panigurado. Alas 12 na. Baka hindi na siya makalis sa kanila. Hintayin ko na lamang mag-umaga. Paniguradong pupunta na si Isabela bukas.
2 weeks after their supposed elopement, a servant from the Castillo household came to Lucas.
Pinapadalan ko niya.
Doña Isabel Gonzales? Gonzales?
Lucas. Patawarin mo ako, Lucas, sa hindi ko pagsama sa ating pagtatanan. Mahal kita, ngunit mas mahal ko ang aking pamilya. Pinakasalan ko si Luis at sa palagay ko, handa na akong kalimutan ka. Huwag mo na akong hintayin dahil tulad ng sinabi ko sa'yo, masasaktan ka lang. At ayoko na masaktan ka. Hanggang dito na lang, paalam, Lucas. Isabela.
Lucas felt betrayed with Isabella's marriage to Don Luis. He leaned on the fountain, and as drops of tear escaped his brimming eyes, it fell on the fountain's floor, and the fountain started coming to life. He stayed there for the rest of his life, and no one knew where he went or what happened to him after all those years. Isabella, meanwhile, has traveled to a different town after their wedding. She convinced herself that if she left the town where her love for Lucas blossomed, she would be able to forget and unlove him. And in return, Lucas too would forget her and find another woman worthy of his love.
Luis, nais kong bumalik sa Lasal. Gusto ko na doon natin ipagpatuloy ang ating pamilya.
Sige, bukas na bukas, babalik tayo sa Lasal.
Sige.
Naniniwala ako na kaya ko naman muli manirahan sa Lasal. Wala na ako nararamdaman para kay Lucas. At paniguradong na iba na rin siyang minamahal.
And when she arrived, she learned of the tales going around about the fountain, which has been spewing water for the past 20 years, even without a source. Tears fell from her eyes, and she cried while looking at the blooming garden.